Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get Google Gemini work on our lock screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open up our Google application and activate the Google Assistant feature. Go to your Google and then you can go to your profile on the top right corner and then go to the setting and you can activate the Google Assistant right here. Okay, select this option and you can activate it. And after you activate the Google Assistant, you can go back and then go to the Gemini feature. Okay, and if you want to make the Gemini work on your lock screen, you can activate this one, Gemini on lock screen, and click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, and right after you activate the Gemini on lock screen, you will be able to use the Gemini on your lock screen. Alright guys, and that's all the way to get Gemini work on lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!